Jai Jinendra and Jai Shri Krishna to everyone. I welcome you all to this lovely summer evening in London. Before I introduce this wonderful, talented artist to perform in front of us live from Toronto, Canada, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our Zoom team, which has been working tirelessly behind the scenes to execute virtually outstanding events on an almost daily basis. On average, we have 8 to 10 events a week. Our Zoom team is made up of 10 volunteers. Our team has brought to you almost 150 live events and attracting over 40,000 participants in just under 4.5 months. I would like to introduce them in an alphabetical order. First up is Annika Babishi. Unfortunately, she cannot be with us tonight, but she's one of the youngest members of our Zoom team, always willing to help and learn. She would be a great asset for future of Nona. She's one of 3 ladies on our Zoom team. Next up is Arvind Bhai Mehta. He's known to me as Mr. NSN, which means never say no. He's ever present at all events and is one of Navnath's many hidden gems. He's truly my right-hand man. Thank you, Arvind Bhai. Next up is Bansriben Rupani. Very quiet, effective, articulate, and gets on with the responsibilities given and does all the colorful charts that some of you may have seen via web blast and some slideshows. Yet again, another great asset to our wonderful community. Thank you, Bansriben. Next up is our 3rd lady, Darshnaben Bajaria. She's ever ready to give her selfless services to the team and willing to learn as we go along. Thank you. Jagdish Pai Sangani, unfortunately, he can't be present tonight either. He's the quietest team member and gets on with the job that he's given and executes it perfectly well and on duty. He's also a vital committee member. Right, next up is Kevin Mitani. There you are. Another young team member. Kevin designs and creates all these wonderful flyers and event slides that you see whilst waiting before an event starts. And he's also responsible for social media, postings on Facebook and Instagram. Another true asset to the future of Navnath. Thank you, Kevin. Next up is Kishore Bhai Batavia. He's our backup man. I call him my backup man, at least. He ensures that nothing fails during an event, but also that we all have fun too when on duty. And when he's off duty, he polishes and puts on his dancing shows for weekend events. Next up is Mukesh Bhai Daria. He's not only present during the weekday events, but he's also our back office manager. Thank you, Mukesh Bhai. Last but not least, on our Zoom team is Nitin Bhai Savaria. He's I call him a pragmatic team member. He makes sure that all necessary steps are taken in an orderly manner and that everyone is in check. Ever present at almost all events and has lots to offer to our community. Thank you, Nitin Bhai. Finally, there are 2 pillars who are not part of the Zoom team setup, but without them, our community would not be seeing such wonderful programs in front of us. I've been working with them for past 4.5 months to organize, manage, plan events, and these wonderful souls are Bhupendra Bhai Shah and Nalin Bhai Udani. Now I move on to, thank you, Nalin Bhai. Now I move on to introduce melodious Mansi Pandya, who will perform live from across the pond in Toronto. Mansi is an engineer by day and singer by night. She's grown up in Canada, loving Indian music, all thanks to the timeless compositions in the Indian music industry. Her music idols are Lata Mangeshkar ji and Shreya Ghoshal. She specializes in Bollywood and Gujarati Garba. Without any further delay, I would like to hand over to Mansi for next 90 minutes of wonderful Mehfil Sham Navnat Ke Naam. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for the wonderful, wonderful introduction. Give me a thumbs up if everyone can hear me well. I hope બધા મજામાં હોય. આજે I think full Gujarati audience છે, so ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરી શકું છું. બધા મજામાં છે. I'm from Canada. My name is Mansi Pandya. And I'm so thankful કે મને આ opportunity મળી છે. Actually, Mehul uncle, I got introduced to him through one of my lives. હું Facebook ઉપર live perform કરતી રહું છું. તો એમાં Mehul Kamdarji એક વખત મારું જોતા હતા અને he really enjoyed my singing, and that's how we got connected. I'm so happy that there's so many other members in UK. I've never met them, complete strangers, but now because of my music, because of COVID, I've been performing online a lot. Though I've been connected to many members in UK, and everyone has been so loving, so just appreciative and cooperative with me. So when Mehul uncle came to me with this opportunity to perform for Navnat Vanik Society, Association, I was really thrilled to do so. So આજે હું mostly Lata Mangeshkar ji, Asha Bhosle ji અને Shreya Ghoshal songs ગાઈશ. તમારે request કરવી હોય તો along those lines કોઈ songs હોય તો you can request and I'll try my best. Guarantee નહીં કે હું કરી શકું. Sometimes they're hard songs. Sometimes I don't have karaoke tracks for them. I'll try to sing without music, some of them if I can, but hopefully you guys enjoy my song selection. અમુક ગુજરાતી ગીત અને ગરબા પણ ગાઈશ. So I'll start off with the first song of the night if that's okay. अब तो है तुम से हर खुशी अपनी, अब तो है तुम से हर खुशी अपनी, तुम पे मरना है जिंदगी अपनी हो, अब तो है खुशी अपनी। जब हो गया तुम पे दिल दीवाना, जब हो गया तुम पे दिल दीवाना, फिर चाहे जो भी कहे हमको ज़माना, कोई बनाए बातें चाहे अब जितनी हो, अब तो है तुमसे खुशियाँ पड़ी तुम पे मरना है जिंदगी अपनी ओ अब तो है तुमसे हर खुशियाँ पड़ी आहा 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 तेरे प्यार में बदनाम दूर दूर हो गए तेरे प्यार में बदनाम दूर दूर हो गए तेरे साथ हम भी सनम मशहूर हो गए देखो कहाँ ले जाए बेखुदी अपनी ओ अब तो है तुमसे हर खुशी अपनी तुम पे मरना है जिंदगी अपनी ओ अब तो है तुमसे हर खुशी अपनी अब तो है तुमसे हर खुशी अपनी Thank you, everyone. I saw the comments in the chat come up. Thank you so much. Amazing comments, Mate, Badane. Thank you so much. Hope tamil lokone geet gamyu hoy. Thank you, everyone. So the next song I will sing is also a Lata Mangeshkar ji song. Mainly hun Lata Mangeshkar ji na songs gaati ho chu, but recently I've started exploring more singers, thoda alag genres, so that I can become a versatile singer. बाहों में चले आओ बाहों में चले आओ हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा ओ हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा ये आज का नहीं मिलन ये संग है उम्र भर का बाहों में चले आओ हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा ओ हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा चले ही जाना है नजर चुरा के यूं फिर थामी थी साजन तुमने मेरी कलाई क्यों हाँ चले ही जाना है नजर चुरा के यूं फिर थामी थी साजन तुमने मेरी कलाई क्यों किसी को अपना बना के छोड़ दे, ऐसा कोई नहीं करता। बाहों में चले आ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ओ हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा। कभी कभी कुछ तो कहा पिया हमसे, कम से कम आज तो खुल के मिलो जरा हमसे। कभी कभी कुछ तो कहो पिया हमसे, कम से कम आज तो खुल के मिलो जरा हमसे। है रात अपनी जो तुम हो अपने, किसी का फिर हमें डर क्या। बाहों में चले हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा। ये आज का नहीं मिलन, ये संग है उम्र भर का। बाहों में चले आ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा। Thank you everyone. There are so many participants who scroll karo and try karo to see everyone. I can see everyone singing and dancing, swaying along with me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for all the lovely comments. So many comments. Yeah, I can sing Lag Ja Gale. I will sing that for sure. Thank you, amazing comments, Matis. Really, very sweet. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद लग जा गले से पास आए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार, पास आए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार, बाहें गले में डाल के हम रोने सारे सार, आँखों में फिर ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से। Thank you so much, everyone. હું થોડી comments વાંચી લઉં. There were so many, I missed a lot. Thank you, everyone. Mukesh ji, Bhavin ji, Laji, Nina ji. I'm from Toronto. Oh, what part of Toronto? Vaughan કરીને એક city છે near Toronto. ત્યાંથી હું છું. Thank you, everyone, for the lovely comments. सुन रहा है ना तो हूँ गावानी छू पछी, so I will sing that after. For those asking to dedicate a song to their wives for their birthdays, next song I sing, I will dedicate to them. Okay, I will try to increase the volume of the karaoke. Zoom ma thodu plus and minus thatu rehse. And each karaoke track that I have, thoda different levels upar hoy, so let me know if I need to adjust anything. So I guess I'll just introduce myself a bit. મારું નામ માનસી પંડ્યા છે અને ફેસબુક પર હું મેલોડિયસ માનસી પંડ્યા તરીકે મારું એક આર્ટિસ્ટ પેજ છે. That's why અહીંયા પણ નિમેશ ભાઈએ મારું નામ મેલોડિયસ માનસી પંડ્યા રાખ્યું છે. તમે એમાં ફોલો કરી શકો છો મને. You can watch future events that I have. હું ઘણા બધા શોઝ કરતી રહું છું. યુઝ્યુઅલી તો લાઈવ શોઝ હોય, બટ કોવિડના લીધે ઓનલાઈન શોઝ કરું છું. Thank you so much for the compliments on my voice from everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, next song. I hope you all enjoy. And it's dedicated to all the wives whose birthdays are today or coming up in the week. ये समा है प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुराए कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। ये समा है प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुराए कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। बसने लगी आँखों में कुछ ऐसे सपने बसने लगे आँखों में, कुछ ऐसे सपने कोई बुलाए जैसे नैनों से अपने, नैनों से अपने। ये समा दीदार का, किसी के इंतजार का, देना चुरन कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। समा है खुमार का, किसी के इंतजार का, देना चुरन कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। Thank you, Geeta ji. Thank you, Kalpana ji. Thank you so much, everyone, for enjoying the song. Very romantic song indeed. So hope you all enjoyed that. Gujarati Geet ban gai. So after a while, I'll sing maybe around in another 10-15 minutes. Gujarati Geet ne garba gai so. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, everyone. Okay. I see a request for Dil Hai Chota Sa. I can do that. दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरी मन की, भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरी मन की, भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बाबरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरी मन की, भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। So because he requested the, I'll just do an intro of that. Actually, fun fact, હું આ ગીત actually હિન્દીમાં વધારે નથી ગાતી, હું બીજી લેંગ્વેજીસમાં ગાતી હોઉં છું. I sing in actually about 5 to 6 languages in total. એમાં હું હિન્દી, ગુજરાતી તો ગાઉં છું જ, પછી તમિળ, મલયાલમ અને તેલુગુમાં પણ ગાતી હોઉં છું. એટલે મને ખબર તો પડતી નથી language of course, but I just listen and then I sing in those languages. તો આ ગીત often requested હોય છે, તો મને તમિલ અને મલયાલમમાં વધારે સારું, સોરી તમિલ ને તેલુગુમાં વધારે સારું આવડે છે હિન્દી કરતા. Thank you for the amazing comments so far. When Nimesh Bhai told me that generally audience is like on the older side, I was actually pretty excited કેમ કે મને બધા જૂના ગીતો બહુ ગમતા હોય છે, અને આજના જમાનામાં I don't get to perform જૂના ગીત too much, so I was happy to be doing this today. Okay, next song, જાને ક્યું લોગ મોહબ્બત, તમે લોકોએ સાંભળી લીધું initially in the beginning. I think હું અમુક બીજા songs કરું જે નથી મેં ગાયા અને તમે સાંભળ્યા નથી. Thank you for all the blessings. I'm reading all the comments as much as I can. Okay, next song એક આશા જીનું થઈ જાય, પછી હું થોડા ગુજરાતી ગીત ગાઉં. Yeah, I will sing in another language after this song. जिस तरह फिर होना जुदा ये वादा रहा तू है वही दिल जिसे अपना कहा तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा. Thank you everyone. Memo comments, Joy. Do people want to hear another language? Gujarati ke, like Tamil, or I can sing a few lines in another language if you want. If not, that's fine. Swahili. I don't know any Swahili. Jambuana. Amen. I need to learn that. Okay, હું થોડી બે lines of એક Tamil song નું ગાઈ લઉં અને પછી ગુજરાતી કરું છું. I think everyone will be happy. I think equal distribution છે. અમુક લોકોને તમિળ સાંભળવું છે અને અમુક લોકોને ગુજરાતી. Okay, yeah, different languages, sure. Thank you, everyone. I know, like I also don't understand the language. You guys don't, but as a singer, it's just music. That's a language. Thank you for those that enjoyed. I saw a bunch of smiling faces, and even though समझना पड़े. You all enjoyed. Thank you so much. I just want to say कि sorry if I cannot do all the requests. घनी बड़ी मैं request जोई छे for all sorts of songs and languages. I cannot cover everything possibly, but I will try my best. So hope you all understand that. I have never come to Kenya. Smita ji, you're asking. Okay, next song हूँ एक गुजराती song करूँ. माड़ी तारो पंखो खर्યું ને सूरज उग्यो माड़ी तारो पंखो खर्યું ને सूरज उग्यो माथी जाने प्रभुताए पाग मूक्यो कंको खर्યું ने सूरज उग्यो माड़ी तारो Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the amazing comments. I think હું થોડું એક ગુજરાતી સેક્શન કરી લઉં. સો હિન્દીના જે બી તમે રિક્વેસ્ટ છે તમે થોડી વાર રહીને મને મોકલો, then I can do them. અત્યારે I'll just do a Gujarati section of songs. નયનને બંધ રાખીને મેં જોયું as a request. I don't have the karaoke track for that, but થોડું હું 2-3 લાઈન ગાઈ લઉં. નયનને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે, નયનને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે, તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે. નયનને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે, તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે. નયનને બંધ રાખીને. The next Gujarati song I will sing is one of my favorites, and I think ઘણા બધાનું એ favorite ગીત હોય છે. I hope you guys enjoy that too. Any guesses what song this is? જોયું ને તમે યાદ આવ્યા, પાન લીલું જોયું ને તમે યાદ આવ્યા, જાણે મોસમનો પહેલો વરસાદ ઝીલ્યો રામ. એક તરણું કોડ્યું ને તમે યાદ આવ્યા, તમે યાદ આવ્યા, તમે યાદ આવ્યા. પાન લીલું Thank you everyone so much. Amazing comments. I see that some of you are dancing. I can't see everyone. I hope badane maja aati hoy, really. Yeah. Yeah, I would love to see everyone come on screen as well. Usually I can only see myself or tiny versions of you all. Thank you for the amazing comments. I'm glad. Manish uncle, yeah, tamara 20 gayan eમાંથી I hope I have a few. બધા તો નહીં ગવાય મારાથી. સુન રહ્યા હે તો હું ગઈશ પછી. I think next section હું ગરબા કરી લઉં. બધાને ગરબા કરવા છે. Yes. Yeah. Okay. તો હું થોડા ગરબા કરી લઉં.
चरना चौके चढ़िया दीवड़िया जोत जड़िया मनड़ा हारो हार मड़ा रे माड़ी तारा बनाई ढाणा कड़िया कुमकुमला पगला पड़ा माड़ी ना हेत ढड़िया जोवानो कटोड़ी वड़ा रे माड़ी तारा बनाई ढाणा कड़िया मातु तेजनो अंबर मातु गुणनो भंडार मातु दर्शन देशे तथा श्री आनंद अपार भावनानुसार दया दाख विदातार कृपा कर जे अमिरंग पर थोड़ी लगाए सूरज ना तेज तप्या चंद्र किरण है वस्या तार लिया टम टम्य रे माड़ी
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope બધા મજા આવી. મેં તો જોયા dandias and everything. તમે લોકો ગરબા કરો છો. If I start doing garba, if I start playing garba, તો હું ગઈશ નહીં. એટલા મને ગરબા ગમે છે. એટલે I'm just moving side to side. નહીતર અહીં મારું ગાવાનું છૂટી જશે. Problem with garba is any karaoke is enough મને મળતી નથી, online available નહીં હોતી. So I don't have too many. I have another track of karaoke. Track of garba, sorry. વાહ, મેહુલ અંકલ.
ચાલો પેલા પાંબુ બીચના ગરબા રમવા જઈએ. ચાલો પેલા પાંબુ બીચના ગરબા રમવા જઈએ. ચાલો પેલા પાંબુ બીચના દાંડિયા રમવા જઈએ. પૂનમની રાત છે, સખીઓનો સાથ છે, ચાચરના ચોકમાં આવો રે, આવો ને રમવાને આવો ને તમે, દાંડિયા રમવા આવો, આવો ને રમવાને આવો ને તમે, દાંડિયા રમવા સોનલ ગરબો શિરે અંબે માં, ચાલો ધીરે ધીરે. ચાલો ધીરે ધીરે, ચાલો ધીરે ધીરે, ચાલો ધીરે ધીરે ધીરે. સોનલ ગરબો શિરે અંબે માં, ચાલો ધીરે ધીરે. સખીઓ સંગાતે કેવા ઘૂમે છે. હે માં, હે માં, હે માં, હે માં. સખીઓ સંગાતે કેવા ઘૂમે છે. ફરર ફૂંદડી પરે અંબે માં, ચાલો ધીરે ધીરે.
Sorry, this karaoke ends abruptly like that, unfortunately. Sorry about that. Online, enough garbani karaoke's nathi hoti, so I tried to do my best and collect what I could. I know Nagara Sang Dhol Wage goes with this, and my request Joy Ghaniwar. I don't think I should sing that song though. It's a very energetic song, and the karaoke I found isn't the original karaoke, so it doesn't sound as good, unfortunately. I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm just going through some of the comments that I missed earlier. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. So I think remainder of the program, Hindi Hase Mara Bada Geeto. Hopefully that is okay with you all. Next song I would like to do is O Mere Sanam. Sorry, Dilip Bhai, I don't think I know that song. So the next song I would like to sing is one requested by Mehul Uncle. Emno favorite geet che, so amre kyarnu request karelu che, and I would like to dedicate it to him.
जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मैं रेत जैसी उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
Thank you, Mehul Uncle.
मेरी नजर का सफर तुझ पे ही आके रुके कहने को बाकी है क्या कहना था जो कह चुके मेरी निगाहें है तेरी निगाहों की तुझे खबर क्या बेखबर मैं तुझसे ही छुप छुप कर तेरी आंखें पढ़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
Nalin Bhai and Urmila ji are slow dancing. Everyone else should join them as well.
तू जो मुझे आ मिला सपने हुए सर फिरे हाथों में आते नहीं उड़ते हैं लम्हे मेरी हंसी तुझसे मेरी खुशी तुझसे तुझे खबर क्या बेकदर जिस दिन तुझको ना देखो पागल पागल फिरती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
Thank you for the claps. Thank you for the amazing comments. Yes, I will sing Sun Rayana Tu next. A lot of people are commenting or requesting that. Thank you for the amazing compliments. Bipin bhai, તમે સુન રાયના ગયેલો ને પછી પાછું તમે રિક્વેસ્ટ મોકલજો so I remember આજ જાને કિસ ના કરો lovely song. Okay, next song Sun Rayana Tu. It's actually a mashup of 2 songs. Hopefully that is okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. I love that mashup, and yes, very high requested song. So hopefully, tam lokon badan machai hoy. I'm just going to go through a few comments to catch up. Ashwina ji, maro Facebook पर next event ક્યારે છે? તમે મેલોડિયસ માનસી પંડ્યા કરીને મારો Facebook page છે એમાં તમે follow કરો તો હું બધા events ત્યાં મૂકું છું. હમણાં next week, July 25th, there's a small event I have. So any details, Emma Hase. Thank you, Shifali auntie. Thank you, Amin. Thank you, Nazaninji, Ashokji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Srijit. Next, Aaj Jaane Ki Zid Na Karo, go without. I don't have a karaoke track for that. I'm much thodu gai lau chu. Please, amai ke mistakes hai to please excuse me. Practice nathi kari agi. Just I really like the song and I don't have music, so hopefully it's okay.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Thank you. That was my humble attempt to that beautiful song, Ghazal. I hope I saw a request for Ghazal. Hopefully this covered that request as well. Thank you, Arvindji. Thank you, Rajuji. Thank you, Lataji. Thank you, Bipinji. I was singing that song with my eyes closed, I think. My comments, Nejoy. Thank you so much, Srijit, Bhartiji. Thank you, Kishorji. Tame maro Facebook page sodilaya cho and you've put it in the comments. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mehul uncle. So I see ke Shreyana ek geet ko haji. I see a request for that. So I will sing a song of Shreya's.
पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल दिल 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 में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हाँ 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 ला 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 ओ हम सफर लगता है डर रात कटे ना कभी हो सहर इस पल में सिमटे उमर रात कटे ना कभी हो सहर तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे कि जैसे खूबसूरत घर तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे कि जैसे खूबसूरत घर तू जो है साथ तो ये अंबर लगे कि जैसे साया हो सर पर तेरे कांधे पर रख कर सर यूं ही कट जाए सारी उम्र पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हाँ 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 ला 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 कल क्या हो किसको खबर लगता है डर इस पल में सिमटे उमर रात कटे ना कभी हो सहर अच्छा बता दिल की इतनी सारी बातें कैसे लिखोगे इस छोटे खत पर दिल की इतनी सारी बातें कैसे लिखोगे इस छोटे खत पर दिल पर टूटा है ये कैसा कहर तुमको पाकर खोने का है डर प्यार का ये ढाई आखर कैसे लिखोगे इस छोटे खत पर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल दिल 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 में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हाँ 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 ला 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 ला
Thank you everyone. Yeah, it's a very sweet, lovely, fun song. Hope you guys like that. तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. Let me pull up the lyrics. It is a male song, but I see a lot of requests for it. I don't think I can sing the song properly for those of you that want to hear it. I will try my best for this song without music.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी ज़रूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
That is the first song first time I've sang that song. Hopefully you guys like that. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. That's a tough song. I can try that song. Sorry, how much time do we have left, Nimesh Bhai? I haven't been keeping track of time at all. I know Mehul uncle is going to... Oh, okay. Mehul uncle is going to sing all night long. I know he will.
Mansi, you can finish in next 10 minutes, please. That's 45 past 9:45, please, UK time. Thank you.
Okay, got it. I will sing a beautiful old duet of Lata ji and Mohammad Rafi ji. And then I will end the night off with a Asha Bhosle ji very hype dancing medley. And you all can dance for that.
झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा, झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा, ऐसा सुंदर सपना अपना कांटों से सजाएंगे बगिया से सुंदर वो बन होगा रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। तेरी आँखों से सारा संसार में देखोगे तेरी आँखों से ओ तेरी आँखों से सारा संसार में देखोगे देखोगे इस पार या उस पार मैं देखूंगी नैनों को तेरा ही दर्शन होगा रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा।
Thank you, everyone. Hope you all like that. It's such a beautiful composition, sweet song. Thank you. Thanks, Amin. Thank you, Bipinji. Thank you, Naina ji. Yeah, I hope to be back here for sure. I'd love to come to UK and perform for you all. That would be amazing. Thank you. Okay, so the last section of the night, Srijit Bahara, not today, you heard it yesterday. So the last section of the night, I will be doing a medley of Asha Bhosle ji songs. They're very fun songs, so I want everyone up and dancing again like you were for Garba. Yes, Mehul uncle is ready. Thank you. Okay. Yes, Naina ji. Everyone dance.
दम मारो दम मिट जाए गम बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम दम मारो दम मिट जाए गम बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम तो तर 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 तरो दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या हम सबकी परवाह करें क्यों सबने हमारा किया क्या दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या हम सबकी परवाह करें क्या सबने हमारा किया क्या मिट जाए गम, बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम। ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, दीवाना दीवाना प्यार का परवाना। आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना, मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच के जाना। ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना। दिल वो चाहे जिसे उसे पाए, प्यार वो यार के जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए। दिल वो चाहे जिसे उसे पाए, प्यार वो यार के जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए। जान के बदले में जान लो नजराना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना। जब छाए मेरा जादू, कोई बच न पाए। हाँ, जब छाए मेरा जादू, कोई बच न पाए। हाँ,
Everyone that's sitting and dancing, let's get up and dance.
फूलों की नरमी हूँ मैं, शोलों की गर्मी हूँ मैं। फूलों की नरमी हूँ मैं, शोलों की गर्मी हूँ मैं। तूफानों की हलचल हूँ, हवा का आंचल हूँ मैं। जो ढूंढे वो पाए, फिर भी होता। जब छाए मेरा जादू, कोई बच न पाए। हाँ,
Yes, Mehul uncle, nice dancing. Amazing, Ramesh ji. Last song of the night, guys. Let's make the best of it.
रात बातें बात बातें होना है जो हो जाने दो सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से रात बातें बात बातें होना है जो हो जाने दो कश्ती जवादर की तूफान से टकरा गई मंजिल मोहब्बत के अब तू करीब आ गई कश्ती जवादर की तूफान से टकरा गई मंजिल मोहब्बत के अब तू करीब आ गई सोचो ना देखो तो देखो जाने जा मुझे प्यार से
Thank you, everyone. I'm so happy to see you all smiling, dancing, happy faces. Thank you, everyone, so much. Thank you to Mehul Uncle for introducing me to this lovely group of people. Thank you to Navnat Vanik Association for having me tonight. I really enjoyed, and I hope everyone else enjoyed as well. Thank you for all the thumbs up and all the wonderful gestures. Thank you. I'm trying to scroll through as many people as possible. Thank you, everyone. Nimeshji, over to you.
Sarvane Jai Jinendra, Jai Shri Krishna and Pranam. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nitin Savadia, and I am the member of the Executive Committee of Shri Navnath Vadil Mandal, and also a proud member of the Zoom team. Mansi Ben, what can I say? That was truly an amazing concert. Your voice is awesome. We thoroughly enjoyed the Bollywood songs, Gujarati songs, and the Garbas. I myself am a big fan of Gujarati songs, and it was a joy to listen today. You might be pleased to know that between Zoom and YouTube, almost 900 people enjoyed your melodious singing tonight. On behalf of Navnath Vanik Association's President, Shri Dilip Bhai Mithani, the audience, and the Zoom team, a big thank you, Mansi Ben. Our special thanks goes to Mehul Bhai Kamdar for introducing you to us. Mansi Ben, we are truly grateful to you for agreeing to entertain us today, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. I would like now to briefly talk about our leader, our Zoom team leader, Nemish Bhai Mehta. Nemish Bhai has a long track record of service to the community and is a member of the Executive Committee of Navnath. He has worked tirelessly for months to end, almost 7 days a week, to ensure that the Navnath Zoom runs both efficiently and to the highest of the standards. Now to the audience. Thank you all for joining today, and we hope you enjoyed it as much as we all did. Tomorrow at 11 a.m., that is Sunday 11 a.m., Pujya Atul Bhai, live from Mumbai, will give us a presentation on the subject of the spiritual science of Namaskar Mahamantra. I am sure you will find this very intriguing, and we hope you all join tomorrow. The Zoom code and the password is the same as today. Good night, everybody. Keep safe and keep smiling. Thank you.